Nancy Pelosi's out. After 4 decades in Congress, the 85-year-old powerhouse announced she won't seek re-election in 2026. And now, the battle for her San Francisco seat has begun. Enter Saikat Chakrabarti, a 39-year-old software engineer turned political operative, who's not just running for Congress, he's running to blow up the Democratic Party as we know it. Born to an Indian Bengali family in Fort Worth, Texas, Chakrabarti graduated from Harvard with a computer science degree. He was a founding engineer at Stripe, co-founded a tech startup, then did something radical. He walked away from Silicon Valley to chase progressive politics. In 2016, he joined Bernie Sanders' presidential campaign. That wasn't enough, so he co-founded Justice Democrats and Brand New Congress, organizations designed to recruit and elect progressives who reject corporate money. Then came his biggest play, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Chakrabarti masterminded her insurgent congressional campaign. When she won, he became her chief of staff. Together, they launched the Green New Deal. And here's the kicker. To force it onto the agenda, they staged a sit-in at Nancy Pelosi's office, the very seat he's now running for. Chakrabarti isn't pulling punches. He's called House Democratic leader Hakeem Jeffries a failure. He's demanding Democrats be primaried across the country. He's rejecting the party establishment wholesale. His pitch? The Democratic Party has become a status quo machine, captured by oligarchs and corporations. He wants to rebuild it from scratch, make it fight for working people again. But first, he has to win the Democratic primary. This is a fight for Pelosi's San Francisco congressional seat, and it won't be easy. He's facing tough competition. California State Senator Scott Wiener, Christine Pelosi, Nancy's daughter, and San Francisco Supervisor Connie Chan. Still, polling shows Chakrabarti has the strongest shot any challenger has had in years. The question isn't just who replaces Nancy Pelosi. It's whether the Democratic Party is ready for a revolution from within. With Debangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.